So I didn't get a video shot of me recreating this piece. I actually loved the person who painted it before with the pink and the orange coming through. But due to a lot of issues and me having to make it match something else and the handles being messed up, and I can't. Anyways, there was just a lot of reasons that I had to paint it. I really loved that pink with the blue, but had to change it up. And orange isn't normally my color. Actually, this is a custom blended flamingo with peony and daisy and a little bit of caviar, and then cleared in 3 coats of satin clear coat, all by Dixie Belle, but custom blended and hand painted. So I just wanted to let you know what we did. We had to replace the handles on top with some vintage handles we had, and basically just go with what we could go with and make it really cute and viable, I guess, at this point. So enjoy. This is the lingerie chest that I did. It kind of matches this piece. And it's hard to see, but there's a lot of crackling, distressing. And on the top, it's a blend of flamingo, daisy, peony, and a little bit of caviar as well. Sorry, the lighting is really bad. You can't see. Just love the crackling. Original old handles here, replacement handles on top, although those are vintage handles. So there you see the 2 pieces. They will be for sale separately because we have to do that in our store. We don't tend to ever sell sets or things that match all at once. Everybody wants a piece or the other piece, so we sell them separately. And there you have it.